Hi guys! Welcome sa Asip9. In this video ay magsisimula tayo ng panibagong series. Yung series na ito ay on permutation and combination. Bago tayo mag-aral ng permutation and combination, kailangan muna natin aralin yung fundamental counting principle, no? Kasi kakailanganin natin yan sa pag-solve ng mga permutation and combination problems. Okay, so tignan nyo yung problem sa screen ninyo. Suppose there are three towns, A, B, and C. There are two roads connecting A and B, and three roads connecting B and C. How many different roads can you travel from A to C through B? No? So, ilang ruta yung pwede nating gawin pag tayo ay manggagaling sa A, papunta sa C, nadadaan tayo sa B. So, para madaling i-identify, nilagyan ko ng pangalan yung mga roads, no? Yung road na ito ay Road M, this is Road N, and of course, nandyan din yung Road X, Road Y, tsaka Road Z. Now, pwede nyo i-pause yung video, no? Tapos i-solve nyo yung problem on your own and then come back later once you already have an answer. Okay, so sana nag-solve kayo, no? At sana nakuha nyo yung tamang sagot. So, from A, pwede akong dumaan ng M, tapos, daan ako ng X. Isang ruta yon, no? Para madaling tandaan, isulat natin yung roads na dinaanan, no? So, MX. Road M and then Road X. Pwede rin ako dumaan ulit ng M, pero this time, sa Y na ako dadaan, papuntang C. So, this is MY. Pwede pa rin ako dumaan ng M, pero this time, sa Road Z na ako from B to C. So, ito yung MZ. And pwede ko rin gawin yan sa N, di ba? NX, NY, and NZ. So, ilan lahat? There are 6 routes that we can travel from A to C where we will pass through B. Now, this is another representation of the previous problem. As we can see, we have town A here. Meron tayong dalawang roads going to B. So we can take either M or N. And from B, there are 3 roads. So for example, if I take this road, this can be represented as MZ. And if I take N and this road, this can be represented as NX. And as you can see, pwede rin natin i-represent yung ibang ruta, no? We have MX, we have MY, we have NY, and we have NZ. Now, as you can see, meron tayong dalawang roads from A to B. And for each of these roads, meron tayong tatlong roads from B to C. So, pwede nating isipin na 2 sets of 3. Kung kukunin natin yung total number of routes. Which means that this is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So, ang tawag natin sa ganitong klase ng konsepto ay fundamental counting principle, no? Sabi sa fundamental counting principle, if there are m ways of doing something and n ways of doing something after that, then there are m times n ways to perform both these actions. Now, if we think about the problem, yung sinasabi niyang m ways of doing something, yun yung 2 ways of traveling from A to B. Yung sinasabi naman niya na n ways of doing something after that, yan naman yung 3 ways of traveling from B to C. So by the fundamental counting principle, there are 2 times 3 ways, which is equal to 6, of traveling from A to C. Of course, dadaan tayo dito sa B, through B. So yun yung sinasabi ng fundamental counting principle. Alright, so check natin itong problem na to kung pwedeng gamitin ng fundamental counting principle. So yung problem, sabi niya, you go to a restaurant for snacks. The menu says you can choose one food and one drink. The choices for food are apple pie, burger, fries, and sandwich. And the choices for drinks are coffee, iced tea, and orange juice. How many different snacks can you make using these choices? So meron tayong dalawang choices, no? Una, yung first choice natin is yung food. Tapos yung second choice natin is yung drink, no? So this is for food. This is for drink. And meron tayong apat na choices sa food, no? We have apple pie, burger, fries, and sandwich. So meron tayong 4 choices dito. This is M ways of doing something. That's 4 ways of choosing food. Tapos yung drink, there are 3 ways. That's it's either you choose a coffee or an iced tea or orange juice. Remember, 1 food and 1 drink lang, so hindi pwedeng dumoble. So meron tayong 3 choices dito. And with the fundamental counting principle, sabi niya, pag may 4 ways ka to choose food, and then you have 3 ways to choose drinks after that, then there are, multiply lang natin, di ba? M times N ways. So there are 12 ways. Okay? So ang sagot dito ay 12. If you want, pwede natin i-verify, no? Pwede ulit tayo gumawa ng tree diagram katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Pwedeng ang food natin ay apple pie. And then pwedeng burger. Pwedeng fries, tsaka pwedeng sandwich. Pag ang food natin ay apple pie, pwede tayong mamili ng 3. Drinks, coffee, iced tea, tsaka orange juice. Tapos meron tayong burger. Ganon din, pwede rin tayong mamili ng coffee, iced tea, tsaka orange juice. Ganon din dito. So coffee, iced tea, tsaka orange juice. And then we have coffee, iced tea, tsaka orange juice. So ito meaning apple pie coffee, apple pie iced tea, apple pie orange juice. Ito naman, burger coffee, burger iced tea, tsaka burger orange juice. Ito naman, fries coffee, fries iced tea, fries orange juice. Sandwich, coffee, sandwich, iced tea, tsaka sandwich, orange juice. So, ilan yan? 12, di ba? There are 12, which verifies our answer. Okay? So, sa mga susunod na videos ay magpa-practice tayo mag-solve ng iba't ibang klase ng problems involving fundamental counting principle, no? Para masanay kayo kung paano mag-solve and para makita nyo yung mga iba't ibang klase ng problems. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating tutorial. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Bring your friends. Like the video. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.